How to use Fotorama AI generator. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can use the Fotorama AI generator. Now in order to use the Fotorama AI generator, you can use it in the web version or you could also use it in the app version. In order to use in the app version, you can download it on your very device with the help of the Play Store on your device or the App Store. But if you'd like to use the web version, you can directly search OpenArt.ai on your web and you can find the option. Now here you can see an interface like this if you are using the very option of the web version. In the up portion, you can see the option of sign in the top right. You can go to the option of sign in and you could also sign into your account. Now here in the interface, when you go to the image or go to the option of create the image, you could create a very nice image. You can just choose a style for it. You can explore multiple models for it. You could also train your model by customizing your creativity. You can also ultimate your upscale by upscaling your images, and you could also bulk create by batch creating hundreds of images, and you could also convert the image to the text prompt. So these are the way on how you can do it. In the very line, on the three lines on the top portion, you can see the various kind of options here as well, and you could also see the various resources option where you can know what's new, the wiki version, the blog, the help center, and the theme gallery. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.